Good morning, everyone, and happy Thursday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the opening bell. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back, and thank you so much for being here. Of course, this morning we're going to discuss exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, as well as the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Now, don't forget to stop by tomorrow on Friday at 12:30 Eastern Standard Time to catch Richard Allen and I's live stream, where we'll discuss all of the happenings that have been going on in the market this week. And of course, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well, so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Okay, let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the green this morning. We have the Dow futures up 0.12%, S&P 500 futures up 0.16%, and the NASDAQ futures up 0.17%. Global professional services company Accenture has agreed to acquire a firm called Blue Horseshoe. They are a supply chain management and strategy consulting firm. With this buyout, Accenture will gain access to Blue Horseshoe's cloud-based supply chain management solutions, along with its warehouse management and transportation management systems. Post the buyout, Blue Horseshoe's team of 349 people will join Accenture's supply chain and operations group. The Accenture stock does come in as a strong buy, but currently has an average upside potential of about 2%. Now let's take a look at notable earnings reports, as we are still amidst a very busy earnings season. We recently heard from Electronic Arts, who reported better than expected results for their fiscal first quarter. Electronic Arts reported quarterly net revenues of $1.55 billion, up 6.3% from the same quarter last year. The growth in net revenues was supported by an 11.7% year-over-year increase in live services and other revenues. Moreover, their revenues did surpass the consensus estimates of $1.28 billion. Their earnings per share for the quarter did decline 43% from the previous year to 71 cents. However, it did still come in ahead of the estimates of 62 cents. Analysts rate the EA stock a strong buy with an average upside just shy of 20%. Coming in with mixed results for their second quarter was GoDaddy. Quarterly revenues stood at $931.3 million, up over 15% from the same period last year, and surpassing the street's estimates of $919.7 million. The company reported earnings per share of 27 cents, which does compare favorably with a loss of $4.06 last year, but did miss the consensus estimates of 32 cents. Their stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside potential of 23%. And Kraft Heinz shared their second quarter results that were better than expected. However, shares did decline 5%. The sell-off might have followed the company's warning of margin pressure during the call, owing to higher prices of ingredients as inflation in the U.S. continues to edge higher. In Q2, their net sales came in at $6.6 billion, representing a 0.5% decline from the same quarter last year, but coming in ahead of the consensus estimates. Their adjusted earnings per share of 78 cents easily outpaced the estimates of 72 cents, but was down 2.5% compared to the prior year quarter. Analysts do rate the stock a hold currently, but it does have an average upside potential of over 15%. And also sharing their second quarter earnings reports was MGM Resorts. The company reported an adjusted loss of 13 cents per share, narrower than the street's estimates of a loss of 44 cents per share. The company had reported a loss of $1.52 in the year-ago quarter. Their net revenues skyrocketed 683% year-over-year to $2.3 billion, beating analyst expectations of $2.09 billion. This increase was driven by robust domestic demand. Their stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside of over 32%. This morning, we're waiting to hear earnings from Moderna, Penn National Gaming, and Fiverr International. And in the after hours, we'll be hearing from Plug Power, Virgin Galactic, Beyond Meat, and the Zillow Group. So a lot to look forward there. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Ensys Biosciences. Trading under the ticker ENSC, they're currently up nearly 43%. They're followed by the Hudson Capital stock under HUSN, who's up 30%, and the Meten EdTech X Education Group under METX, currently up 24%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Nevro Crop. Under the ticker NVRO, they're currently down nearly 26%, followed by Fastly under FSLY, down 22.5%, and Fiverr under FVRR, currently down 20%. So that'll be everything for Thursday's pre-market morning update, where we're getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here next time.